It's easy to wonder which foods are healthiest. A vast number of foods are both healthy and tasty. By filling your plate with fruits, vegetables, quality protein sources, and other whole foods, you'll have meals that are colorful, versatile, and good for you. Healthy eating has oodles of positive benefits for the body and the mind alike. When we eat well, we feel good. And when we feel good, we're happier. And when we're happier, we're more productive. And the wonderful cycle continues. Increasingly, shops and restaurants around the world are getting on the healthy eating bandwagon, making it easier for people to treat their bodies right. This list of 10 of the healthiest foods in the world is just a beginning guide, a way to understand the essential vitamins and minerals the human body needs to stay functioning at its best. And as an added boost, these healthy foods are all downright delicious. Today, I am going to show you the 10 best healthy food. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 10. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts, Bertholletia excelsa, are some of the most healthful nuts available. They are an excellent source of both protein and carbohydrates, and they also provide good amounts of vitamin B1, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Brazil nuts also contain more selenium than many other foods. Selenium is a vital mineral for maintaining thyroid function, trusted source, and is a great antioxidant for the human body. These nuts come in a hard shell and are usually available ready to eat, making them a quick, nutritious snack. 9. Lentils. A lentil is a pulse that features prominently in many food cultures around the world, including those of Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, India, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka. Lentils provide good fiber, magnesium, and potassium. They tend to require a long cooking time. However, manufacturers can sprout the seeds, making them a delicious, healthful, ready-to-eat snack. Adding a container of sprouted lentils to a lunchbox or picnic basket, perhaps with some chili powder or pepper for flavoring, makes for a delicious and healthful snack. 8. Oatmeal. Interest in oatmeal has increased considerably during the past 20 years because of its health benefits. In 1997, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, agreed that foods with high levels of rolled oats or oat bran could include data on the label about their cardiovascular health benefits as part of a low-fat diet. This led to a surge in oatmeal's popularity. Research has found that the cereal's soluble fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels and reduce cardiovascular risk factors. Oats contain complex carbohydrates, as well as water-soluble fiber. These slow down digestion and help stabilize levels of blood glucose. Oatmeal is also a good source of folate and potassium. People can make oatmeal from rolled or ground oats. Coarse or steel-cut oats contain more fiber than instant varieties. 7. Eggs. Eggs are another source of protein that people can easily incorporate into a balanced diet, as they are highly versatile. Eggs contain vitamins including B2 and B12, both of which are important for preserving energy and generating red blood cells. Eggs are also a good source of the essential amino acid leucine, which plays a role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Eggs also provide a good amount of choline, which is important for cell membranes. The yolk contains most of the egg's vitamins and minerals, as well as the fat and cholesterol. However, one 2017 review found that eating up to 7 eggs per week does not increase the risk of heart disease. That said, the authors mention that people with cardiovascular disease or diabetes should seek medical consultation about including eggs in the diet. Indeed, one study found higher rates of cardiovascular disease in people who consumed more cholesterol from eggs. Consuming fat in moderate amounts is helpful as part of a balanced, nutritious diet. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli provides a good source of fiber, calcium, potassium, folate, and phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are compounds that reduce the risk of developing heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Broccoli also provides essential antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. A single half-cup serving of broccoli can provide around 85% trusted source of a person's daily vitamin C value. Another compound in broccoli called sulforaphane may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory qualities, according to one 2019 study. However, overcooking broccoli can destroy many of its key nutrients. For this reason, it is best to eat it raw or lightly steamed. 5. Apples. Apples are an excellent source of antioxidants, which combat free radicals. Free radicals are damaging substances that the body generates. They cause undesirable changes in the body and may contribute to chronic conditions, as well as the aging process. However, some studies have suggested that an antioxidant in apples might extend a person's lifespan and reduce the risk of chronic disease. 4. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that offers a wide range of different nutrients. For example, this powerfully nutritious plant is an excellent source of vitamin C and K. People can cook or steam kale. They can also blend it into smoothies or juices for a nutritional kick. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries provide substantial amounts of fiber, antioxidants, and polynutrients. Unlike minerals and vitamins, polynutrients are not essential for survival. However, they may help prevent disease and maintain vital bodily functions. In a 2019 review of 16 studies, the authors suggest that consuming blueberries may help protect against cognitive decline, which may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. They also found that blueberries might help prevent cardiovascular disease. Another 2019 study, this time in mice, found that blueberry polyphenols reduced obesity and certain metabolic risk factors. They also improved the composition of gut bacteria. According to a 2015 clinical trial trusted source, eating 22 grams of freeze-dried blueberries every day for 8 weeks led to a significant decrease in blood pressure among women with stage 1 hypertension. 2. Avocados. Some people avoid consuming avocados due to their high fat content. However, avocados provide healthful fats as well as B vitamins, vitamin K, and vitamin E. Avocados are also a good source of fiber. In one 2018 review of studies, avocados increased levels of high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol. This type of cholesterol removes more harmful cholesterol from the bloodstream. Avocados might also have anti-cancer properties. A 2019 test tube study of avocados showed that colored avocado seed extract reduced the viability of breast, colon, and prostate cancer cells. However, the study did not indicate whether or not the effects would be the same in humans. Avocados may also have associations with improved nutrient absorption, a better overall diet, and fewer metabolic risk factors according to one 2013 study. 1. Oily fish. Some examples of oily fish include salmon, trout, mackerel, herring, sardines, and anchovies. These types of fish have oil in their tissues and around their gut. Their lean fillets contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids. These oils may provide benefits to the heart and nervous system, according to the Office of Dietary Supplements, ODS. The ODS also suggests that omega-3 fatty acids can help with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.